running. No, running.
Look out! You're going right for the...
No, to those people out there, stop saying the word terrible. No, to those people out there, no, to those people out there, especially Bob the tomato, Telly Monster, Oscar the Grouch, Bert, and Bob the tomato. Stop saying the word terrible. Stop saying the word terrible, especially me. Especially me.
Oscar, we're going to have to take you to the hospital.
To the hospital?
Yes.
You mean where everything is squeaky clean and there's yucky doctors and nurses to help make you feel better and take away the pain?
Yes.
No,
No,
Come on, be careful now.
No,
Are you comfy, little fella?
I don't know about you.
Can't move it. No, floating. No, No,
Refrigerator.
no. Oh no,
I guess I do a bit fast
no.
getting to the kitchen.
Let's try again.
I think so. My head is okay.
Oh no, not the kid again. No.
My arm is okay. Whoa.
Oscar, try not to move it.
I can't do two things at once. Right now I'm trying not to scream.
Oscar, we're going to have to take you to the hospital.
To the hospital? You mean where everything is squeaky clean and there's yucky doctors and nurses to help make you feel better and take away the pain?
Yes.
No more Scottish. No more Scottish.
Come on. Be careful now.
No more Scottish. Oh.
Does he outsmart
No
Cameron?
more Scottish. Oh. No more
In
Scottish.
here, as long as you want.
No more Scottish.
Two things at once? Whoa. Trying not to scream.
No more Scottish. Oh.
Oh, Oscar, we're going to have to take you to the hospital.
To the hospital?
Oh. No more Scottish. Oh.
Look out! You're going right
So you said.
Oh, he's all right.
No more Scottish.
Look out! You're going right
Look out.
No more Scottish.
Oh, he's all
Oh.
right. Oh, he's all right.
No more Scottish.
Oscar, look out. You're